malini nakithombe bazolwa
15k.
Ithombe ezane sendele
awuthule
mara unesidingo babe ngoba sithathembana so
But baby, we trust each other, right?
Yeah,
At some point, how you wanna regard to the phone?
ikhona into ofuna ukuyixolisela kuma sister maybe oke wayitshuna before by mistake angayicavi and ilokhu yakudla ngaphakathi and you wanna get over it.
Sizoxolisela nje in advance.
Sure.
Yeah, engayazi nje.
Sure.
Mara kwamanje angayizi next.
Windoda.
Angayizi next year.
Windoda friend. So bye come on.
Sinhle.
Sister, in a scale of 100.
telling you
Ukari umuthepa kai my brother.
I trust him. Of course, them like him tap how.
So many 100.
Yeah, 100.
guys I'm worried about this couple dog
Even guy feet they be like, tap.
Imnandi lentweni. Yazi imnandi lentweni. There's a slogan esithi yayinhle into eyingane. Lalela. So when sister when uyithepa kai.
Nake tap, nake feet. 100.
Alright.
you notice already that the body language I got my brothers like this. It's like, yo, I don't like what's happening here. I'm not open to what's happening compared to my sister. My sister's just there. She's enjoying the conversation. But with my brother, you can see that he doesn't want to talk about this already.
I like that.
He's
So
not comfortable right now.
maybe when Lianali utwang lian my brothers are feeling.
Hi.
Is there anything you want to apologize about? Maybe no idea before and mzala ite.
No.
So alright.
How is you?
Loyal.
Loyal. Awuthi ngicela uphe umuntu wakhe ihagi mfethu. Umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda. Yazi into eyingane. Mfethu musilokotela. Sorry. Sengikhohlile. Ukuthi niyathandana sengiyaqala. Ngiyaqala usukhinya ingane nje. Yadala make futhi. Make futhi ngaze nithi nomona. Yeah, make hard. Make yeah. Okay? Pelil. Hey.
Was the editor supposed to cut out that part? Is it just me or what?
Group pack, sorry.
Ha, your honey's about to go. Your girlfriend's about to go. She's about to leave, my brother. Oh no.
Bongesko. Sila kanjani? Sila.
Awe.
Ithi ngintetele ngoba manganitetele manje. Mina singahagana kuze kushona ilanga. But before ngikiyeka my brother, mina umuntu nje othanda onamanqoko kakhulu.
Yeah.
Kunensizwa la ongifanela naye.
Ubani?
Iplate.
Kunale out le yengamla lefikile la eSouth Africa ebaxoba ngisho izolo nje. Awuyahona yini lenziza?
Hayi ngiyayibona.
Uyayibona le?
Ngiyayibona lensizwa hayi.
Kodwa umuntu wakho.
Yabona kule ansizwa mara la ngiyathemba but yabona la
Sister busuzwile ngayo kudlwile be aware
hayi
hey awufakanga nje something mhlambe la mhlambe uyiyo lenziwa kunento esithuna nabathi loyalty test test whereby you switching phones for 60 seconds when ugaya umuntu wakhe phone yakho for 60 seconds ukuthi acheke on WhatsApp Facebook Instagram ukuthi wena ufletha nabo bani same applies to you sister ukuthi wena uthandana nomuntu uthandana my brother phela
Yeah.
and awufisi next angithi
Yeah.
that's right
mara unesidingo babe ngoba sithathembana so
But baby, we trust each other, right?
Yeah,
At some point, how you wanna regard to the phone?
Hey, the couple, this is the power couple right there. Sabazwene, just like that.
I mean, ngirata wena fela
On the same page.
mfaka.
So
welcome wazoza lo mjita bemgodo
Serious, babe, there's no.
yamshasha umuntu wakhe uyamvumisa naye uyamlokhu ethi uthini ke umuntu wakho mtshele ukuthi uthini
There's no need, babe, such a phone. Like,
I love you,
you
Kimba,
trust
babe.
me, then make out tell so.
hayi njalo babe wena
one question
yeah
ubani out la
hear me out people
BMN
yeah mara momthemba umuntu wakho hayi mele
BMN
mama umuntu
awuthi uyamthemba
yeah
nawe uyasithemba
yeah ngiyasithemba
sifone phela
Uzokhala yedwa njengoba kuthiwa BMN uzokhala wedwa lo uzokhwahlela igazi wedwa.
asiyenze people wathi ukuthi bangasethe ngesikhathi so
be a better man
Mara babe,
yeah siyenze fast ke kwazi banye abanye sichana
FS
sachinchana obese ngicela
akudlalwa lapha
Mara na kwa.
kwa
sihamba manje
Do you need to do?
ngamla ko internetini sesicheka kwasani mhlawumbe sister yazi umuntu sekumele abheke na ku Africa bani lapha angisathembi kwasa
la ke kuthole next hayi you're right
usangapha sister Uzangapha first.
Yo, sister, how could you catch that directions? They were telling you to come here, you know what I'm saying? But listen, bavele bavumelana. Manje ziyakhala ke manje, they are exchanging phones ke manje. Ziyakhala ke manje. So we'll see who's cheating and who's not cheating, but
Yeah. Sila. So qala ifoni yakho.
oh no.
Hey, hayi ungaqala ngapha. Qala ngayo futhi ayi right la.
Ivula.
Guys, who's shaking here? Mina sengibona my sister. The way she's swallowing a spit right now, uyangithusa. Who's shaking here?
Ivula.
No.
Danko.
No.
Imnandi most. All right, guys, my name is King Changer, Cream de la Cream, and we are about to do the Shondies. Cela nje ufuna akubambele welcome. Angakubambele welcome first. Sibambe welcome lesi.
Why?
Sibheke WhatsApp.
Hawu kuphela lapho baby phela kahle. Bewungajahanga nje.
Okay, now WhatsApp masula WhatsApp masengithi type uzotype la. Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshele, makuvela igama labanye pitch ongabazi la ungitshele ngoba labo pitch ibo labo bazobehamba nomuntu wakho. All right guys, my name is King Changer, Cream de la Cream. Ngintwana nje yase King Indlovu ehamba yayigole uthenga icamera so that izosiza abantu kuma relationships zabo. Sister, cela ungitypela lapho uthi I love you my brother. Ngela mfethu. Zithini wena mfethu njengoba out grand udli style kanje ama chair amanye mhlawumbe awazilahleli ku
azilahlela mara mangabe yazi into yakho vile hayi ustika kuyo le
so wena yazi
ya ngiyazi into ya so
It's only me. Kina fit.
ibile yabhora phuma la phum type uthi I miss you fake ne heart red.
No.
Next akumiss la bantu
next so ingeke uzothola umawulelo someone nje wasenzeni mara hayi
Guys, nina niyamthemba yini though?
Otherwise next
Kina fit.
okay delete lapho type uthi I miss you type
Did you see shaking my brother?
okay delete lapho type uthi I miss you type uthi money uyipha kayi imali
ngiyipha yena phe
nobani
ayi uye kuphela
Yeah. Kina fit.
delete type uthi sex una le go ikopa sex mo go wena sometimes au texela re mona ke gopotse dai ding.
Yeah. I mean, I have to satisfy him, so I don't mind. Yeah, kina fit.
Guys, no way, lo mthitu clean. No way.
No bora manje. Okay, delete lapho faka le emoji le brain roll.
Oh, okay.
Le air pitches. And then ibina limeze ari kwa. Yawa.
Aye.
Yawas.
No, yeah,
Like, body language is fighting him right now. Look at his crossed arms and then look at the other people. Everyone's enjoying and having a conversation. Yena Jolokula. He's uncomfortable right now. What does he mean? And he can't be cheating. Anjani.
umuntu ngimthumela yona so
It's only me. It's kina fit.
Hayibo.
Khana ikhuluma ke into zenu. Type lapho uthi come outside.
Enzani bodyguard?
Re bone gore o ntshabo mankontle.
Ngane ngancane uyavela.
Type lapho uthi come outside.
Ngane ngancane uyavela.
Re bone gore o ntshabo mankontle. Ikabe o ntshaba na kontle. Oh. Ke yena o tswela nkontle.
It's only me. Kina fit.
Yazal Facebook.
yeah mara
Shona khona ke yabona indlela sho ngayo sishona khona ke up to Facebook.
Salsa check.
Going there.
Yabo.
Ha. Yeah.
Hayi uqinisile ubonje umara. Izala kuma messenger. Ngithaphelela uthi I love you. Fake ne athi rate might no results. Unjele sikube cool. Yini usasicabanga ukuthi konje ubani wakwamshelela?
hayi
Yeah.
you're right
Yebo.
Yeah. Kina fit.
nazo
I mean, loyalty. I said
nazo
Khan manje akhuleka.
Nikone
seyize liyasibisi
5/10.
Khan akhuleka guys.
Nongivulela.
Guys, is it just me? Why does he go back to this position again? Khan akhuleka, now he's calm. Hayibo. Okay, go to clean, it's cool. So yeah.
Ngizokuthinta la. Yes. All right. Ustote. Sisami awuthakhe istote.
yeah
Kase kwenzakaleni. I think uvula ithombe. I think ufuna ithombe in an
It's
iPhone guys, the first thing you see.
Sintela mhlawumbe ngathi wena yabo. Okay. Now WhatsApp ne?
Yeah.
Mase ngithi type uzotype la.
Yeah.
Makuvele igama lakho la ungitshele.
Okay.
Makuvele igama lamanye amajita.
Yeah.
Ungitshele ngoba lawo majita kuzobe kuyiwo ashaya umuntu wakhe yabo.
Yeah.
All right, guys, my name is King Changer, Cream de la Cream. We're on WhatsApp right now. We're about to tap the trend. Tap la I love you.
Abangishele but ngena phela.
Uyafuna ukuyibambela isikhoma?
Yeah, yimi.
Okay.
Yimi khalisamla.
Hayi,
Khalisamla. Khalisam.
hey plus kade ulindile
Baze
lethu.
bayambhadala bayamgifta everything. Why would she cheat? What reason would she cheat for though?
Phuma lapho ungithaphela sex.
Okay.
Konto ufuna umtshelana. In contact usayo.
Ay,
Oh, mntwama ya. Yimi la. Yimi la. Kahle kahle kwami.
Konje uthe udlala ibhola kancane. Oh,
Sasi akwami la kuyazwakala.
phuma lapho. Faka emoji brinjol. Faka emoji pinches, faka nalamanzi lawa achitheka.
Udalani mawena?
Hayibo.
Manje
Ubani igama?
ubando.
Funda igama.
Siphe.
Hayibo siphe.
Bani siphe?
Phesihle. Funde lonke.
Siphe. Bani siphe phe.
specific kin that bag.
Oh, usebubaba bakho ngegama. Oh.
Kwakumsendela nto. Okay baby yami.
Awukwazi umsendela ama-brinjol untate. Ntate.
Baby.
Nambuza fellow like
in South Africa uthi baba. Sijwayele ukhazi nosisi bonke labo uthi baba.
No. Ngena.
Motho I'm satisfied njalo.
Hayi unamanga. Shintsha.
Ngoba bakho izinto ezinjalo mhlawumbe.
Mhlambe
Uyafreka buyisana nalena.
Hayi umsendela izinto kanje.
Yabona uyathemba ngakhona. Yabona uyathemba ngakhona isama lakhe. Uyabona ukuthi yena umuntu angacasha kuye mhlawumbe athi hayi uyena. Sister ubani usiphesihle. Ubaba wakhe ngeke abe usiphesihle umuntu wakudala. Abantu bakudala baba namagama akudala. Siphesihle. Imagine itime eluzibesihle hayi
Like on jet.
hayi chinga no
Bale dead or something la
usiphesihle
Mothi kimbiza ja.
Mara
delete
Ngimbiza kanjalo ba.
delete nama ngithatha uthi money
Yo.
shuthi awuthendala le type uthi money sibona uzosibheka vele
I hate it when they look at their phones like indaba uqala ifoni yakho you know what's in your phone. Uyazi ukuthi wathayipani kudala.
Ethe ngena la kula chats ngena ku media sibona ukuthi umsendela ziphi ithombe
Security guard now, why is he looking?
let's phone hey babe let's phone
Oh no.
let's phone man how man
Hey.
was
Oh no.
Baby ithombe ezikanje sendele ubaba.
awuthule
Baby uzenzani ithombe ezikanje ubaba wakho? Sihle khona ngijwayela kabi ne. Awena ngijwayela kabi. Ngijwayela kabi.
ile ithombe mfethu
Guys, i-security guard inaki ithombe bazolwa.
ngizongabela la ngoba ubamba
Kwenzakalani nto bani? Sithola isewasendela into Intaka msendela ntutse so.
khuluma iqiniso
Yini ntutse?
People.
Ipifiking excited ngiyona edibwe.
cha
That's in that distance, the way the girl is standing so far, she's scared for her life though.
wamuhle mhlaba sesamba
Ithintwi.
so usaloqhubeka ukhuluma kanjani imakhi ngemuva
Mara like hayi.
usaloqhubeka nijole nalo njengoba umbona ukuthi upha ubaba usiphesihle into emnandi
Kanjani umuntu kanje?
waneti akulona time futhi leli umuntu ukuthi angaba ubaba wakho into ibihamba ngeholo
Sikabamela batho ke bana ba re senyetsa
Ngenzela yo mara
Qeda bantombazane. Yo. Yes. Watch your girl around these polos, abekho safe.
mara
kapha izinto eziningabi.
ngabe ucela imayitwarelo kunokuthi alokhu enza kanje because nakho siyabona asifonele
No mamela ne.
Okay, why simele singamfoneli manje?
No.
Baba wakho ukhulume naye.
Umsebenzi ngabe ke umuntu asetsa business ekhulu so ha re mfonela re msitisa.
Oh.
But listen to me because
Ngalo
mina bona.
lokubamba ifo.
Okay,
kusho ukuthi mina kube sihleli isikhathi eside mos baby.
Babe, I'm sorry. Babe, kubathakela hle.
Hawu nongijwayela kabi we. Hawu nongijwayela.
Ayakujwayela bhuti wami. And ngiyakuvumela.
Kodwa nongijwayela kabi.
Uma
ngenzela yona ngenze kusho ukuthi
nanokumhlonipha kwakho.
wele toilet kahle kahle.
Yeah, but how it's enough?
Akethina.
Ungamtsheli ngani?
Oyisebenzisanga mfethu.
Saqala nje she said hey wenza yonke into umbheke. Secondly uyangifta bese unginika muhle futhi uyangifta bese muhle. Imagine that manje he's not doing enough. Now there's more things on the list. What is he not doing?
No mos.
Ma bana manala ka jang. Sheba. Ho tla December. Agata you have
O retse jwang o rekise phone retse manana.
Ona le tšhelete tlemile wa mpha. I need an allowance le nna ke tshwana le bana ba bang le nna ke apere.
Kanti ufuna mali, ifuna kimi ifuna ukuzipay allowance yakho ngathi ufuna mali.
Uyifuna kuye, uyifuna kusiphe, kodwa usenje. Usenje. Shorty weave, we can see that umuntu othanda ama weave, but she's still like this. Imagine.
Kanti ufuna mali, ifuna kimi
imali ayithola is not enough. Khona ozayo my brother. Someone's coming.
ifuna ukuzipay allowance yakho ngathi ufuna mali.
Ufuna malini?
15k. That's ki allowance.
No maziyo wena une salary 15k.
Yeah, we want
Kholo.
Wena ufuna allowance salary wena uyaziyo 15k ubani omaziyo wena.
to hlabanga 1000. 15k at least, it's better.
At least she's even doing this, bana.
Phone le ukuthi manje uzuyithole wena.
iPhone XR 18 itsilo. I mean,
okay.
iPhone 18 akakaphumi. Uyifuna ingakaphumi, yebana.
Injalo kahle kahle. Kwenye kwa into
umuntu wathanda.
Ngithatha kancane wena ne.
Awuthemba mtshele lo ukuthi awusamfuni ngoba uma ungamtsheli uzoba nenkinga.
Azibheka asiyenza kanjani indaba yethu.
Mtshele ukuthi awusamfuni.
Asiqede kahle 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 yonke into.
Ngikhathe manje.
And yabona XR le uthi XR unama 15. Asiwenza kanjani? Hamba uphanda 15 ke. Azenza awulethele yami le.
Uzokubuyisela yona mase ningakini uzoyifaka eboxini.
Asafuni nokumbona lo muntu mfethu.
Ya inkinga manje
uzosusa enye into masingabana nje ningekho kanje kuyosuka enye.
Inkinga manje awukwazi ukumphuca ngilana. Kumele niphucane
njani ngamphucula lana ngoba phela
ngangingekho umnika. So ngeke ngikuvumele kuzoba ngathi mina ngisiza
wona iphela leni qeda wena Jinja uchaza ukuthini Jinja
ukuthi ubambe lo mntwana inkunzi
unesandla ekupheleni kwayo lento.
Yeah.
Ngicela ungavili
uvele ubatla tsamaya and it's not like go thola ngwana na thana lena so never how
I have now 15k suka Usithomele you don't have that 15k.
I did you a favor just real quick it's a favor
emekutholile uqawuthi
ungijwayela kabi so wena
why umenzeni lo mntana zakujwayele kabi kanje
from B to the S word is crazy.
Lo ngiyacala ukumbona kanje azakhuluma kanje acala lo muntu umuntu usisi kanjani
siphesihle uthembisane izwi lo siphesihle and swami kungabe ukuthi lo siphesihle lo ufaka imask yilo mlungu lo kungabe nje u10,000
na i-ghost account uye lo mlungu lo.
Yeah, but at least you on 15k at least
15k
kimanga for allowance ya 1k
hayi man
1k
15k
iphi phone kuphumile ilistela abantwana abaphume kule group awukho nje wena lapha njengoba ukhala ngama 15k iphumile ilist yenu lapha kwi-African banibani yakujwayela brother mtshele ukuthi awusamfuni yakujwayela brother mtshele ukuthi awusamfuni
inhlenhle gas sense yenza kanjani indaba yethu
danko
nayi ifone leyo ungasayilithe ngihlala nayo ngiyangithola ufuna ukubona ukuthi enhlenhle kunayo leyo 15 uyithatha ngoba uhlala nayo leyo phone le 5k
leyo 15k sobona
indaba nayo yangizwa ngithi yonke into akusenandaba
iphethe yakhe futhi
yeah I'm going
go
sibona ukuthi requesta ngani ngoba leyo bheka inamali iphethe kuphela yeah la
lesihle lo akayicabangi leyo nto she usebenga leyo ndlela eqambela amanga she doesn't even care what she's going to say to specific
madala o specific
ngahana ke tla ncenga yeah soka
never
nehle tsikitla la qoqa ke tla
unakana ke qoqa mo
ke tla la qoqa na sel
1k na chelete
fokitla mthola we waninyana
uthola wena you get another one easy
hamba wena uthama ungamnaki lo uthi thani protect
nje umxosha lokho guys animeni umxosha lokho kumxosha kusikuthi
nyana
hayibo
awuthama hamba wena awuthama ungamnaki lo uthi thani protect kuyena
protect
yeah hamba wena awuthama hamba mfethu
lo jinji yabaqeda labantu hayi yabaqeda
jwayele dengane awuthami ngithembe kanje and mina ngabuya uzomani uzomnyisa nje yami le out ifanele ukucula ikwaito awuyena umzakezeke wena
hayibo
salute
ayike guys ishubile 15k baba umjolo uyadula kumjolo manje that's crazy 15k ngizobona guys let me know if you're going to be willing to pay 15k for your girlfriend let me know guys maybe imqondo wami ubhedayo maybe 15k is normal maybe it's right to pay your girl 15k but let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out bro.